Yep. Hello everyone, have a good week. Have a good week. We are almost at pre-New York. We broke the high of the previous 1 hour, and also we broke the low of the 1 hour. We are on a bullish momentum. Okay. Wait 3 minutes. 3 minutes for a new 30-minute candle. Later today I'm going to do also simulations, backtesting, and more fun things. My bias for gold is buy. I wanted this candle to close here. Hey, how you doing? Long time no see or hear. How are you? Hello, it was you I was looking for. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Hello. Okay, okay. Okay, what I'm looking for now is or to have a break outside of the zone or to have a bullish close. I want the next 30-minute candle close bullish inside the zone. That's what I'm looking for. Now I'm looking for the next 30-minute candle to close bullish inside the zone. You what? You I don't understand. Eden, how are you? I'm good, brother. How about you? Okay, now this candle I want to close bullish. What happened? Why not good? We can talk later if you want. As you wish, brother. If you want to talk, I'm here. I hope what is happening is will be okay. Oh, really? That's bad is your niece? Oh, fuck. I hope you will feel better. If you really want to talk, we can talk later. I will glad. I will be happy. I will check with you about it later if you want. If you even if you don't want, I will check with you later. Yeah, you need to monitor yourself, to be on track, to know what's happening. Say the one that haven't been in the doctor for many years, but I'm feeling good. But I really want to check something about myself. I want to check my heart, my blood, and all these kind of things. Yeah, I believe also here. I'm not really sure. Or it's free. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. So you have debt? Ah, okay. I know in America, if you are go to hospital, you completely fucked. It's better to die, just not to go to the hospital in America. You can find yourself like in a big issue because they bill you with un unrealistic amount of money. What? You you need you must to pay for TV even though what the fuck? Is it supposed to be an option? It's like motarot. How can I say it in English? I don't know. Like it's not something. It's fucked up. You must to pay for TV even though you don't want a TV in your house. Yeah, like the government. I know is also happen in Israel, but in Israel you don't must to pay for TV or internet or anything. You go to the hospital and you can even not pay a thing. Like it's very depends. It's not cost money to go to the doctor or you pay like eh, uh, percentage for every late month. This is very weird. I never thought about it on Germany. Then they make you to pay. Yeah, I believe health insurance is something that is must to have, but because if you are like have a health facilities that you can use for free, and the government provided to the public, so yeah, it makes sense that you must to pay health insurance because you have those institutions open for you. So someone need to, to pay for all of this, the tax payment and the civilians. Yeah, but What about the TV? Fuck. I don't want a TV in my house. Why do I want to live in the jungle without a TV or a internet? Why should I pay it? It's crazy. Yeah, but in Thailand you get the same qualities, not this. I believe they don't have the same level of health, technology, and care in Thailand or here. But if you ask me, is way better to live in Thailand. Way cheaper, way nicer. Like you have beaches, you have nature, you have lady boys. Just kidding. But you have attraction, yeah. It's better to live in Thailand. Kapun ka, kapun ka. Makmao. Man, I always said myself, if I get to a certain kind of age that I feel like, okay, I don't see myself enjoy the rest of my life where I am today, and it's not for me only to work and pay bills and all this kind of stuff. The better option is just go to the world and travel just to see the world. Yeah, life is hard. Is hard. You don't really need money for that. It depends. It depends how extreme you are with this idea. Yeah, you need some money, so you go to a country, you work there, you hustling, you make money, a few bucks over there, you save the money, you don't live in a hotel, you live in a tent, you don't shower in a normal shower, you shower in a public shower, I don't know. There is a way to live with this certain kind of life without to spend a lot, but it's not a life. It's not like it's you need to be a very certain type of person to live that way. Who said it's easy? It's not always going to be sunshine and rainbows, but it's a way of living. Like, I didn't say is the most comfortable life. There is his difficulty, like there is his way of difficult, but it's very depends on. I didn't say it's easy. I didn't say it's easy. I said if I get to certain kind of level in my life that I feel like I'm stuck and I'm not going anywhere and I just wasting my time, so yeah, I will do it. but it's not going to be easy. But it's better just to to wait to wait for you to die. I don't know, to just, just exist. Is not there is not there is nothing into it, just to exist. You need to have something, something in your life. But yeah, I hope you understand me. I don't know, life, love, job, kids, I don't know, hobby, something to hold you into the ground. Like, money is not only the answer. Money just make your life easier, but it's not the answer. Man, a lot of people with money will tell you that money is not the only thing in the world. There is much more important thing than money. Money is a tool. That's it. It's a tool. It's not something that is going to fill inside of you. Man, take your life, listen, take your life and compare it to someone else in the world. In their eyes, you are a millionaire. There is some people in the world that in their eyes, you are a millionaire, but you got used to this life because you are born to it. So imagine yourself, you are rich right now. So some some times in the road that you are rich, you are going to get used to it. So you need something else to feel inside of you, like kids, love, job, I don't know, something like that, that you have a meaning. It's not just money and that's it. Money, there is a lot of people that think that money is the answer of their problem, and then when they get this money, they eventually figure it out that is not a problem. Is not something that is going to fix their problem. Yeah, okay. Is issue of money. Okay, I believe you. I believe you. Me too. Yeah, I have an issue of money. I believe my life is going to be way better with money, but in the other hand, is not the only answer. I said I said like that. Money is very good, but it's not like the answer. You can have a fulfilled and happy life without money. That's it, period. But yeah, me and you, right? Me and you agree. We are agree with what we say. But okay, I believe you. I believe you. I know for me, money is not the 100% the answer. I will feel good, but it's not the answer. But I really want. I want to figure it out. Like my keyboard is dusty. Yeah. Yeah. Nah. So you need to relax. You don't need to. If you are, you need to convert this stress to an action. If you are really stressed about your situation, so convert it to some good. Like if you are stressed now about your current situation, you don't need to feel sorry for yourself. You need to start to find answers how you will fix these situations. Look, don't say the money problem is killing me and that's it. Try it. If you are maybe you are too comfortable where you are right now. Maybe you are too comfortable and you don't want to take risk, and this is what is make you be at your place right now. You need to so it's hard to do it, but sometimes is good to make a list, you know uh, to reflect yourself. Sit down like 2 hours and just write down. The 10 answer is easy, 15 is a little bit struggle, the 20 answer is you're going to find yourself very difficult, but those those last answer maybe is the answer for you, because you need to look very deep down to yourself. Because of that, I'm very like to read books, is open the mind, is give you another perspective. Yeah, it's hard. Of course it's hard, but it's also hard to live the life you live right now, no? It's also hard. Is you need to choose what kind of hard you want in life. You want hard of struggle for money, or you want hard struggle of getting the money? Like you're going to struggle either way. You're going to suffer either way. Yeah, me too. I don't like to work the 9 to 5 work jobs, because it very depends. There is some works that you can have a career, you can build yourself, you can find a fulfillment, but it very depends on what kind of a person you are. For me, all my life, I go to shitty jobs, like only for existing, to get money for rent and etc. etc. and etc. Not something to build myself. So yeah, I didn't feel like I fulfill myself over there. So yeah, I I look for another alternative like trading and affiliate and all these kind of things. But if you choose not to do it, the 9 to 5, you need to know that the other alternative of life is way harder to make money. Not as an not as on as a how do I say that, as the one that get paid. You like get check in every month. It's hard. Man, it's hard. Life is hard. I'm not a kid. You're not a kid. We passed the age of the comfortable life, let's call it. Now you are on your own. No one will come to help you. It very depends what kind of 9 to 5 you're working. 9 to 5 is not bad, but is your expectation. What you expect to gain in this life? If you want to consume a career in science, or you want to go learn algorithm and all these kind of things, it very depends. My brother, my little brother that is younger than me than 5 years, is make in a month like 4 salaries that I made in 1 month in my last job. Is working from the morning and is get to the evening in his house every day, and he's work really hard. He's working high tech. He's work really hard, but he's happy. He like it. This is what he's wanted in his life. So it very depends. He's fulfill yourself. Feel like he's important. He have something to offer to his country, to the to the company he's work on. It's very depends on what kind of a person you are. You don't need to feel hate. Hate not get you anywhere. Don't hate. Hate is for ones who you never find a hater that make good in his life. You need to remove hate from your heart. You just need to understand that everything is up to you. Not the government, not your friend, not anyone. Is up to you. And if you have a hate, you need to convert it into action. Man, you can go and live in Switzerland. Is the best, or Neverland. How this? There is a place that is the most that by a rate their people is the most happy in the world. I forgot. Neverland. Not easy. Easy life is not easy. Yes, Sweden or Norway. It's Norway. Okay, we get into New York opening. Let's see what we're going to have. Wow. The distance is very crazy. Okay, I have a position. But it's crazy, it's too much. Okay, let's me fill it. The 3. No, New York. Okay, we don't have a strong close. Okay, but the reason is 30-minute close out of the range up. Long bias, 15-minute bullish structure, long bias. Position is long. Below line, 30-minute and 15-minute candle. Risking point 700. 700. 915. Is almost 1-to-1. I'm going to give it 1-to-1. Not in trade. Um, let's make it confident level 7 out of 10. Yeah, long gold. Let's see. My concern is this 30-minute candle didn't close very high. We have a bunch of breaks of the lows here. the price in order to get to my TP need to break the ultimate high. Um, let's see how this 15-minute candle is going to close. Yeah. I'm afraid that is a fake out. But let's see how this 15-minute candle is going to close. Yeah, I see. We don't have much of a strong close outside of the range, but is the New York opening. Is New York opening, so there is a chance the price to continue with the trend. Um, just let it be. Let's see where is at. Three one one 9.74. I just don't want to be out from the wrong reasons. But there is a chance to find here a rejection. Yeah, I feel like I feel the danger in this trade. A bunch of candle broke the low of the previous ones. Uh, the price need to break the ultimate high in order to go up. But we are on a very good. Hey, hello YouTube. Charleda. How you doing? Let's see what kind of a close I'm going to get on the 15-minute, because we have a beautiful structure on the 15-minute. JPY down, maybe. Why? Because of this area? Yeah, the daily pretty much support this idea. There is a chance to touch this area and find here a rejection. No. I calculate it, and I need more 4 good trades of 600 point of profit to pass this challenge. Only 4. Yeah, 4 profitable trades. Let's see. I want to write down for me other things. Thank you very much, Shendra. You from India? Okay, there is a chance over here to find a rejection. Or in the next. Gold in a very big uptrend on the daily. Hope is not going to do any correction. Let's see if the price is going to close above this zone before the 15-minute candle is been for. Trend friend. Trend is your friend. Yeah, you're right. Let's see if he's going to be my friend today. My hand is sweaty. I hate this. I don't like while I'm trading. It's because you feel like you feel your emotion is start to dance. If this 30-minute candle is going to close here, is going to close red here, I'm going to close this position. If the candle is going to close here, I'm going to close the position. But if this 30-minute candle is going to close here bullish, I'm going to get to another position and retrace my stop loss here. What is mean ATH? Yeah, is very is in a very strong and difficult emotionally to take a trade at this level. Allow. Yeah. You know, it's not easy to take this kind of trades because when the price is going up, you're expecting for me to go down. Like we always, as a human, I heard it from someone, from a very successful trader, that we have the actions and we want to buy something cheap. So because of that, people buy when it's go down or sell when it's go up. They want a better price, but the reality for me is to buy when the prices indeed go up. But let's see what is going to happen right now. For now, the 15-minute keep the low of the previous one. Is broke the high of the previous one. For me, it's more important to see this candle is not going to close here. If it's going to close here red, I'm out. Thank you very much. Shelendra. I hope I say your name correct. There is a lot of rejection. Let's see. Let's see, Shelendra. Shelendra. I don't really know what is going to happen. But I know when if this candle is going to reach here, I'm going to be out. I'm already up $500. Let's see if the price is not going to find here a rejection, it's going to break it. Your generation will the burden upon my soul. The generation. One minute, let's see. No, I'm not going to take 50% profit, but the odds, like the risk reward is 1 to 1. Is a little bit more than 1 to 1. If I lose $900, 990. If I win on a 1.2. We have more 7 minutes for a new 30-minute candle. If this 30-minute candle is going to close here, I will make my profit even larger. Me too. My hand is sweaty. All my hand is sweaty. My keyboards, everything is sweat. You know, you feel the nervous, but it's very important the way you act is not you can feel actions and nervous, but you need to react it in a good way, not fall into it. is a very dangerous uh, trade, because what is the odds to be in the trade when the price is break the ultimate high, and especially in this point? Maybe it's going to retrace here, and then in the next day or in 2 days, then it's going to break the high. What is the odds it's going to break right now? Why not to make a correction, to go down a little bit to this area or this area or here, and then to go up? Okay, this is very crucial level. Okay, touch the level. Let's see if it's going to break and close. If it's close here inside, I'm going to be out. If it's close inside, I'm going to be out. 1 minute. Man, I think I need sometimes in the road glasses, vision glasses. I don't know if I'm start to see everything. I don't know. Just feel like I need to very stretch my eyes to look. Okay, nice. I don't see the wick. Okay, I'm out. I'm out, but uh, not for the good reason. Price break. I can now have another entry. Let's stop recording. Let's now fill trail stop. Reason for exit is a trail stop. Win or loss. Win. Execution. Okay, execution quality. I'm going to give it 6 out of 10. Trade time is 30 minutes. 30 minutes. This is the one video of today. I'm giving it a 6 out of 10 execution quality because by the plan I should not be out. Okay. 31, 3, 1. Let's go to the recording. Okay. This candle broke up. I should be on. My stop should be retraced. The plan is the plan war. If this candle broke up close above, is to make my profit larger, and I had the option to retrace my stop loss below the 30-minute candle, and I could add, let's see, I could add at my position here or here. Like technically I can execute another trade. What about GBPJPY? JPY, I'm not trading JPY for now. Now I'm focused on only on the gold. JPY, I need to backtest it a little bit more before I get into it again. I need to backtest it. Oh. I have an entry here. I can enter now. I could enter here. Very good place to enter. What I ask? No, he just the guy on YouTube told me JBPJPY, so I explained to him that I'm not going to trade JBPJPY for now. Maybe later today, after workout, I'm going to backtest JPY. You know what is my problem? Feel that I can't do it to bring my arm like this. I fuck. It's very hurt here. Hurt here. And when I do it, it's very hard to me to. Ah, in the bottom. for years. I don't know. I don't know why, but and then it's hurt me here. Here is hurt me. When you do like this, is not hurt you here, here, and then here. I don't know. I just remember when I climbed is I had it before I start to climb, but maybe because I use my hands a lot and it's very intense on your hand when you climb in. So I remember after a climb I couldn't move my hands at all. I was so much in pain. Maybe. I remember I go to the chiropract, is took my hand, do like this, you heard like knack, and then is were better. Maybe I need to go again. The problem that I'm doing a knack in my if I go like this, I have a knack in my elbows. Maybe I fucked it or I move something over there that make this pain. You are in very intense. What does it mean? The guy from YouTube. Why? Let's see how this candle is going to close. I literally could take a buy here. I could and I could and I could. The could don't count. What? 1 minute. I'm coming back. I buy a prop form account 3 days after launch my account daily loss limit. Oh, this is the most important thing. My daily drawdown is 3%, and I can't lose 6% under $100, 100K, and I can't lose 3% a day. Paposhitos! 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 איפה אחותך? טוב. בואי נאכול, בואי. Vediamo. Almost broke the headphone. $10 for a new 30-minute candle. כל הכבוד אבי. כל הכבוד אבי. כל הכבוד סול. Your generation will take up now and around my soul. First time buy, and I am very, very excited about it. Yeah, it's very exciting sometimes to trade on so much amount of money that you a little bit confused when you trade on 100K account and you see you are at $600 drop down. You need to remember that is less than 1%, so it's good. Even 1K loss on $100 on 100K account is only 1%. So it's better to look on the percentage and not the amount you are losing. If I will go by my plan, I should still be at the trade. My dog drinking and there is water everywhere on the floor. It's crazy. All the house is water. No, I'm not married. I'm single. Single with 2 dogs. Are you married? Shelendra? Really? Good for you. Good for you. Good for you, man. I don't know. I know a child is good, no? Where are you from? I know people that marry at 24 and they are very happy. You know, it depends on the circumstances. Circumstances. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know, something. Circumstances. Okay. It's good, no? It's good money, no? Is a study income. India. Oh, India. I love India. Village. Maharani and Maharaj. You know, I used to sell oil painting in Canada. So if I went to an Indian neighborhood, each time that someone opened me the door, I'm like, Maharani and Maharaj, where have you been? I'm looking for you. I want to show you my painting. I sold I sold a picture of a template in India. Amritsar, capital city of Punjab. Wow, wow. Yeah, I don't see any entry for now. If this 30-minute candle is going to close here, there is a two option. Or the price will break the low of the previous 30-minute candle and continue with the trend up, down, or this is like the breakout candle that is going to go crazy up. But why I'm not entering a trade, because we have a new zone here. The price didn't close bullish. If the price were close here, I could take a buy and have a stop loss here. But it doesn't close that. Why suck. Feel, by the profile, by my profile on Twitch, you are the most active in my chat. You are the most active chatter. There isn't much of competition. Uh, what happening? What happening is what happening. It was a good call to be out in this trade, but the most good thing is to wait to this candle to close. If it were close here, so yeah, I could be out. Is like a better confirmation. What I'm trying to say is better confirmation for exit from a trade. There is a chance the price will find here a rejection, close inside, find here a rejection, close inside, and then the next candle is going to take off. I think yeah, maybe the stop loss hunting, as I said, is more it more makes sense. The price will go down somewhere, to grab some power to eat the liquidity and then go up to gain power. If the price close here, there is a good potential for sell, a huge sell opportunity. Yeah, yeah. Next move, next move, if this candle is going to close around here, maybe we'll touch here and then go up. Yeah. I understand you. I'm complete. I agree with you. Yeah. Yeah. But it's now 4, it's 4 p.m. Usually when gold doing like this is will continue with the drop down. But maybe if it will reach here, it's going to be a little bit too late to take a sell because it will retrace so much. Or it's going to close here and then you can potentially take a buy, have a stop loss here and then or but it's going to be like around 4:35 is the hours when there is not much of a volume, so maybe it will continue with consolidation until tomorrow. And tomorrow, let's see what kind of news we have tomorrow. Tomorrow is 1 to April. We have news at 5 p.m. So I'm going to be focused on pre-London and London opening. So maybe tomorrow at pre-London and London opening we will see the break. Or after the news. No, but or everything is going now gold is after tomorrow is going to have a huge correction to the downside. Uh, Everything can happen. Mm, by the way, the forex hours is get back to what I used to. Yeah. Now, as I used to, London opening is 10 a.m. and New York opening is 3 p.m. because Israel changed the clock a few days ago. בלט נחוי, פשוט דבר. I'm thinking to myself, maybe just call off this day and go do whatever I'm doing after. Yeah, I think it's a good idea. I don't know. Let's go to play CS2 a little bit to wait the sun to go a little bit down, so it's not going to be too hot outside. I go for a run, and I don't have a book to read. I finished the book. I order a new one. I order a book about mindfulness. Mindfulness. Let's see. Yeah, maybe it's going to help me uh, with the stress that I'm feeling while I'm trading. Man, I is new. You know, the last time I read books it was years ago. But now I'm I said that I want to start again. The creature from Jekyll Island. Let's see. The creature from Jekyll Island. Yeah, I found it. Let's see what it's all about. This is a classic expose of the Fed that has become one of the best-selling books in category of all time. Where does money come from? Where does it go? Make it the money. Magician cigarettes are unveiled here. Lost look at the mirror and the smoke machine, the bullish cogs and wheels that create the grand illusion called money. A boring subject. Just wait. You will be hooked in 5 minutes. It's read like a detective story, which is really is, but it's all true. This book is about the most bandit scam of history. It's all here. The cause of wars, bombs, booze, cycles, inflation, depression, poverty, your world view is very dark. It sounds very dark, but interesting. I'm going to save it. I save it, and I'm going. Let's see if I can find it in a book. Yitzur, I reject Yitzur. What you repented? You like you you print it? Uh, really? Like the book is not exist? So how can I buy it on Amazon? Paper book. Let's see. Future for object Iceland. PDF. You have it as a PDF. Man. Here we go. Here, Shalendra, take you as well. My favorite book, price section, bar by bar. If you like trading books, read Trade in the Zone of Mark something. Don't remember. I see you can buy it also from eBay. Oh, such an annoying dog sometimes. I love her, but she's annoying. Let's ask ChatGPT if there is this book in Hebrew. 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 בסדר, מעט וחיבור ידוע ועוסק בהיסטוריה שלו. Never mind. Is the Federal Reserve of America. You can literally can go by the PDF, print this shit. Diligently representation was but let's save it. $4.20. I handed you one knife. I handed you one knife and my heart. And now the dream is over. Oh, and now the dream is over. I feel so fun. I feel so crazy. Why? Discord. I am come to Discord. Oh, nice. Oh, so you have the hardcover. Nice. Who is this handsome man? You're at the gym? Man, that is going to be so weird if I say yes. Mm. Here, it looks like a gem. No, like where you put the heavies. I was thinking you're at the gym, never mind. A font? Nice, okay. So you read all this book? Ah, it's a microphone. Ah, got you. So you read all the book? Ah. You know, do 1 page a day. Read 2 page a day. Only 2 page. That's it. You see, in time you're going to gain. You're going to read more and more and more. Start with 2 page, even one. 1 page a day. That's it. Only 1 page. Fucking 1 page. One side of the book. Read one page, and close the book. Keep another page for tomorrow. Do it. Do it, and see that by yourself you're going to read 2 pages, 4 pages, 20 pages, 40 pages. Man, the last time I finished the book, I read 80 pages. 80. I just fucking sit here and read 80 pages. Pages. And I start from 10, 12, 20, and I get more and more and more. It's a small book, to be honest. It's a very small book. I show you. See? Very small one. Very small. I'm not a reader. I'm not a reader myself, but I'm trying to read. I'm really trying. Really try each day. I'm not try. I read each day, but now I order a new book, so I'm not going to read today. Uh, Yeah, I got you. Me too. I'm ready to play, to do something else, to lay on the couch, look on the floor, on the. Forgot how to say it in English. Never mind. Cool microphone, man. Yeah, I see. Nice woman. Ooh. I don't know if I send you my. I never show you my setup. Yeah, I'll show you. Thank you, thank you. Okay, see this candle close here. SpongeBob, yeah, SpongeBob is my body, is my G. SpongeBob. He had he's like a black SpongeBob. He have this necklace on the him. It's like yo, what's up, my G? I have a mini Lamborghini. I have a Pokemon card of Pikachu. I have a little toy of Pikachu. I have a little mushroom. A little mushroom. Small and cute mushroom. What the fuck? Look on gold. SpongeBob is the best cartoon uh, cartoon character. I remember as a younger myself, I used to watch marathon SpongeBob all the night in English. So I learned a lot of my English in during this from Bob's Frog. But the real practice came when I moved to Canada. I lived there almost a year. Look at your. Believe me, you don't need more than that. You have a very good screen. Very good screen. My brother have the same one. It's big enough. It's good. Yeah, yeah. It's a good screen. Very good. I have all the setup because uh, I sold my motorcycle a few years ago, and with the motorcycle money I bought all of this. Yeah, I have these setups for years, to be honest, for years. Only when I will have a like very spare of money, like money that I can spend, maybe I will. Of course, yeah, yes, we should play CS2, CS2. Come on, CS2, CS2, Premier match. You know I'm noob as fuck. I'm not good. I'm noob. Premier? No, you need to pay like a few bucks to have this open, and then you need to to do some mission to open the Premier section. But we can play competitive together. That is completely free. Is basically the same thing without a rank. I don't know if CS2. I know if a Premier you need to pay for Prime. Ah, cheaters you have also in Premiere. It doesn't matter. Cheaters you have everywhere. They completely ruin the game. You have less in Premiere, but you still have. is not bad. And this is like the childhood game that I used to play. I used to play Guns online, MU online, and CS2. CSGO, CS2, whatever it was in my time. And this is the only game I play. I'm not going to play another game. Now I am the Star Wars game. Yeah, Star Wars is cool. But I am more like I'm not attached into games. Also, CS I played after a few days, after like a week that I didn't play at all. So I'm really start not to touch it, but because I read the books, exercise, etc., etc., or I'm simulating. Crazy move from gold. Wow. Like, if you look at trading view, you will see this 30-minute candle close here. It's crazy that is not showing. It's like freezing and then make a gap up. It is worse. It's not good. Yeah, I know. Yeah. The confirmation were here. This price close here. If you look at trading view, probably you're going to see this candle close here. So it's like the confirmation is that we have a break. Eventually we have is suddenly is going is close inside the zone, so it's a fake out. Also add to this that we are on the higher time, like we reach almost to the higher point. The price close eventually is close inside the zone. Here is like the confirmation to sell, but is first of all is too late, and second of all the bias is long. So I'm going to end this stream, and I'm going to schedule my week. So tomorrow I'm going to trade pre-London and London opening. But for now, whatever is going to do, I don't want to take any part of this, because even if it's close here, it can be a fake, and too much. I don't know, not for me. Okay, so brothers, Phil, maybe I will catch you later at Discord. About trading, I'm going to continue tomorrow. Bye bye.